Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to our channel Peace Belongs to Happiness. Today we are going to talk about the Vipassana meditation and my experience on the Vipassana Meditation Center. Hope you will like this video and just let's get started. Vipassana is one of the most ancient techniques of meditation. 2500 years ago, it was rediscovered by the Gautama the Buddha and taught by him as a universal remedy for universal ills. At first, the technique flourished in India, but gradually it became corrupted, lost its efficacy, and disappeared from the land of its origin. Fortunately, the neighboring country of Burma preserved the original form of Vipassana through millennia. Since 1969, it has been reintroduced into India where it is now striking deep roots. Among the various types of meditation in the world today, the Vipassana method taught by Sri Satyanarayanji Goenka is very unique. This technique is a simple, logical way to achieve real peace of mind to lead a happy life. Vipassana itself contains nothing of a sectarian nature and can be accepted and applied by people of any background. Vipassana means insight in the ancient Pali language of India. It is the essence of the teaching of the Buddha, the actual experience of the truths of which he spoke. It is the practical way to examine the realities of one's own body and mind, to uncover and solve whatever problems lie hidden there, to develop unused potential and to channel it for one's own good and the good of others. Vipassana meditation is taught in courses of 10 days, open to anyone who sincerely wishes to learn the technique and who is fit to do so physically and mentally. During 10 days, participants remain within the area of the course site, having no contact with the outside world. Under the meditation center, male participants are called sadhak and females are called as sadhika. During 10 days, we need to follow the 5 precepts or Panchashil, which are to abstain from killing any living being, to abstain from stealing, to abstain from sexual misconduct, to abstain from wrong speech, and to abstain from all intoxicants. Also, we need to maintain moral silence for full 9 days, although we are free to discuss meditation problems with the teacher and material problems with the management. There are lots of Vipassana centers over the world, but as I belong to the country Nepal, I got my full 10 days meditation course from the meditation center Thamasringa located at Budanilkantha. I personally feel so calm and peace. During my 10 days course, I learned a lot and even realized about my past. Those 10 days were my best 10 days of my entire life till now. There, during the first 3.5 days, we practice the exercise of mental concentration named Anapana. It is the meditation practice of focusing the normal breath. What kind of breath is coming, just focusing. Remain aware of each breath as it enters or leaves. This is preparatory to the technique of Vipassana proper, which is introduced on the 4th day. Vipassana, it is a technique in which we need to move our attention systematically from head to feet and feet to head, observing in each and every part of the body by feeling all the sensations that you came across. It was one of the best meditation. It helps to feel the meditation, feel our own inner side. On the 10th day, the silence ends and taught one more meditation named Metta. Metta means friendly, letting any mental and physical agitation subside. Focus attention for a few minutes, filling our mind and body with thoughts and feelings of goodwill for all beings. The experience of 10 days contains a number of surprises for me personally. It changes my life, my perceptions of meditation. The insights gained by self-observation are not likely to be all pleasant and blissful. It helps to see all sad, happy emotions equally. With continual practice, we will be able to control our emotions like as jealousy, anger, sadness, happiness, everything, but with continual practice and hard work. If you are willing to go Vipassana center, then don't hesitate. It will be a good experience for you, and if you had already learned it, please practice daily continuously. You have learned one of the best meditation as many people even don't know about this. May you get success in each and every step of your life. May you live happy life. Thank you.